In this video, I am covering the solution of question 2nd from class 10th Maths NCERT exercise 3.1 from linear equation. Apart from that, I am also starting a quiz competition for the students of class 10th. Quiz competition. In the condition of lockdown, students are sitting idle, they should be getting rusted, so I have decided to give them some quiz problems. Also, along with my solution videos, so that they get some work to utilize their time in a better way. Only some standard schools are providing some online education and homework to their students. Therefore, I have decided to solve full NCERT book of class 10 maths so that unengaged students can learn maths through my videos and they can get some extra questions for their practice. I hope you all would like my efforts. Questions for 10th class students for quiz competition. First question. The last video I prepared for solution of question 1 from exercise 3.1. Does it need further solution or clarification? Second question. Generate identity sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. Send your response and solution on my WhatsApp number 945881122 and win prizes. So the second question of exercise 3.1 is, the coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,900. Later, she buys another bat and 3 more balls of the same kind for rupees 1,300. Represent this situation algebraically and geometrically. Solution of the first condition, that is, cost of 3 bats and 6 balls is rupees 3,900. Let cost of 1 bat be x and cost of 1 ball be y. Therefore, 3x plus 6y is equal to 3,900. Now take common 3 from the left hand side. Therefore, 3 into within brackets x plus 2y is equal to 3,900. Therefore, x plus 2y is equal to 3,900 divided by 3. Therefore, x plus 2y is equal to 1,300. Therefore, x is equal to 1,300 minus 2y. Let y is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 1,300 minus 2 into 0. This is equal to 1,300 minus 0. This is equal to 1,300. Let y is equal to 200. Therefore, x is equal to 1,300 minus 2 into 200 is equal to 1,300 minus 400, and that is equal to 900. Let y is equal to 400. Therefore, x is equal to 1,300 minus 2 into 400. That is equal to 1,300 minus 800, and that is equal to 500. Now arranging these values of x and y in a tabular form, x is equal to 1,300 for y is equal to 0, and x is equal to 900 for y is equal to 200, and x is equal to 500 for y is equal to 400. Now draw 2 lines on the graph. One is horizontal line, that is x-axis, and one is vertical line, that is y-axis, and mark the scale on the both axes. So on x-axis we will mark 0, 0, 200, 400, 600, 800, 1000, 1200 and 1400. On y-axis, we will mark 200, 400, 600, 800. Now plot the 3 points of the solutions. First is 1300, 0, second is 900, 200, third is 500, 400. The point shown in the figure by a red arrow is the first point, that is 1300 on x-axis and 0 on y-axis. This is second point. On x-axis it is 900 and on y-axis it is 200. This is third point. On x-axis it is 500 and on y-axis it is 400. Now join all the 3 points by a straight line. Now take the second condition. So solution of the second condition, that is cost of 1 bat and 3 balls, is 1300. Let cost of 1 bat be x and cost of 1 ball be y. Therefore x plus 3y is equal to 1300. Therefore, x is equal to 1300 minus 3y. Let y is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 1300 minus 3 into 0. So, this is equal to 1300 minus 0. That is equal to 1300. Let y is equal to 100. Therefore, x is equal to 1300 minus 3 into 100 is equal to 1300 minus 300. So, that is equal to 1000. Let y is equal to 200. Therefore, x is equal to 1300 minus 3 into 200. So this is equal to 1300 minus 600. So this is equal to 700. So arranging these values of x and y in the tabular form, we get x is equal to 1300 for y is equal to 0, and x is equal to 1000 for y is equal to 100, and x is equal to 700 for y is equal to 200. Now mark these 3 points on the graph, that is 1300, 0, 1100 and 700, 200. So as shown in the figure by red arrow, this is the first point, 1300, 0. This is second set of value, 1000 and 100. This is the third set of value, 700, 200. Now join the 3 points by a straight line, we get the second equation, x is equal to 1300 minus 3y. So this line, that means the second line, represents the equation x is equal to 1300 minus 3y, and the first line represents the equation x is equal to 1300 minus 2y, and 1300, 0 is the intersection point as shown in the arrow. From the two tables of data, x is equal to 1300 and y is equal to 0 is the common point or point of intersection of the lines. Therefore, this point is the solution of the equation. So these are two tables. You can observe that the first value of the first set is 1300, 0, and in the second table the first set of value is also 1300, 0. So this is the common point. It is also visible from the graph as it is the intersection point of two lines graphically, which has been shown in the graph by red arrow. Therefore, bat cost rupees 1300 and ball cost rupees 0 is the only solution of the problem. Thanks for visiting my channel. If you like the video, please click the like button and please subscribe our channel and please press the bell icon so that you can get all the information about our coming videos. Thank you.